Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to zoom in on Inshot editing app. So let's start. First open the Inshot editing app. Now tap on video and tap on new. Now select the video footage you want to edit and tap on the green button on bottom right corner and the video is added to your timeline. Over the timeline you'll see many options. Now tap on canvas and here you'll see pinch to zoom in. Now if you pinch, the footage will start zooming in. And now if you play the footage, you'll see the footage plays on zoom in version. And that's how you zoom in on Inshot editing app. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.